This is the 21st year for the Lancaster County Carriage and Antique Auction.
Bird in Hand is a relatively small community in Lancaster County, and our fire company is a 100% volunteer fire company, and almost our entire budget is based on donations and events like the carriage sale and antique auction.
You'll see some mini horses that we sell along with some small carriages, large pleasure driving carriages. We also have quilts, crafts, antiques, collectibles, lots of food. Everyone loves the homemade food.
We're sure that there was several thousand people here just based on the amount of food that we went through. The bidding process is very simple. Bid spotters are looking around for people that are raising their hand or winking their eye to bid on something. And if you happen to be the last bidder, you now are the proud owner of that item.
We have about 400 volunteers. It's a major English Amish partnership.
There's probably 20-some different managers and 50 different tasks that have to be accomplished. The Amish are more than willing to come out and help with a large event like this.
People were out and about, talking with each other, eating, socializing, just being a community.
As president of the fire company, I have the opportunity to meet and greet all of our guests, or as many as I can. And it's very interesting to see where they're all from.
They come in from all states, even a few different countries. Some plan to be here, some people stumble upon it. It's a pretty amazing experience for both the locals and those visiting. We had a great sale this year, and we are really looking forward to next year, getting everyone together again and kind of picking up where we left off.